Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing an extra $500 hit your account overnight. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or just want extra cash for vacations, investing, or that dream car, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the best online side hustles that can help you make serious money in 2024. We're talking about side hustles that fit right into your lifestyle, stuff you can do from your couch, at the coffee shop, or even on your lunch break. Some are passive, some are active, but all of them work. Stick around because the last one could make you rich without a single customer complaint. Let's dive in. 1. Start a YouTube channel. You already spend hours watching YouTube. Why not get paid for it? YouTube is one of the best long-term passive income streams. Whether it's finance, tech, or even unboxing the weirdest Amazon products, there's an audience for everything. Plus, with AI tools like InVideo and ChatGPT, you don't even need to be on camera. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Did you know that finance channels can make $15 to $50 per 1,000 views? That's 10 times more than regular vlogs. 2. Affiliate marketing. What if I told you that you could make money without creating a product or dealing with customers? That's affiliate marketing. You recommend products, and when people buy through your link, you get a commission. 3. Dropshipping and print-on-demand. Want to start an online store but hate dealing with inventory? Dropshipping lets you sell products that ship directly from suppliers. Zero upfront stock needed. 4. Stock market and crypto investing. If you love making money, this one's for you. Investing in stocks and crypto can generate passive income if done right. 5. AI-powered content creation. Welcome to 2024, where AI does half the work for us. Tools like Jasper AI, ChatGPT, and Copy.ai can help you generate blogs, scripts, and even eBooks. 6. Freelancing. If you've got skills, why not sell them? Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour let you offer services like cybersecurity consulting, graphic design, or copywriting. 7. Online tutoring. Are you a math whiz or tech expert? Platforms like Teachable and Udemy let you create courses on anything. Teach cybersecurity, AI, or even how to start a YouTube channel. E8. Virtual assistant. Some people are too busy to answer emails or schedule meetings. That's where virtual assistants come in. Businesses hire VAs for social media management, data entry, and admin tasks. 9. Selling digital products. Digital products are the ultimate passive income. Think eBooks, Notion templates, business planners, or stock photos. Create them once and sell them forever. 10. Domain flipping. Ever thought about buying and selling website names? Some people buy domains for $10 and flip them for over $1,000. Websites like GoDaddy Auctions or Flippa are great places to start. 11. Blogging and SEO monetization. If you love writing, blogging is still profitable in 2024. Start a niche blog on finance, health, or tech and monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. 12. AI-powered SaaS business. AI tools are exploding. If you can create a simple AI-powered tool, like an AI resume writer or chatbot, you can offer it as a subscription service. 13. Printables and templates. Do you love design? You can sell resume templates, business planners, and financial spreadsheets on Etsy. AI tools can even generate them for you. 14. Writing and selling eBooks. You don't need to be a professional writer to sell eBooks. AI can help you create and format content, then upload it to Amazon Kindle and earn royalties forever. 15. Podcasting. Podcasting is booming, and you don't need a fancy studio to start. Just a microphone, a good niche, and consistency. Monetize through sponsorships, Patreon, or even selling your own courses. And there you have it, 15 online side hustles that could change your life. Some require more effort, some are almost passive, but all of them can make you real money. So, which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and let's talk side hustles. Also, if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips.